Here's how to use ChatGPT's new search history feature. In the upper left corner of the screen, click on the magnifying glass, and you can then simply search through all of your chats and conversations you had with ChatGPT up to this day. So in my case, for example, I know that I often use ChatGPT for WordPress related things. I could simply type WordPress right here, and ChatGPT will then instantly show me all the chats and conversations where we talked about WordPress. You can then click on one of these results, and this will open up this past chat and conversation. This is actually very useful because up to now it was really hard to find conversations you had earlier on with ChatGPT. In many cases I was unable to find stuff because I could simply not remember in which exact chat I've been talking about the problem or keyword in question. Now, however, it's very simple. Just click on the magnifying glass right here, type in the keyword, and you will find that stuff real quick. Last but not least, if you don't see the search chat history button right here in the top left corner of the screen, then it could be that it is not yet available to you. Currently the chat history feature has been rolled out to Plus and Team users, but it will very soon be rolled out to Enterprise and Education users as well as all free users. Last but not least, to access the search history feature on ChatGPT Mobile, here's how you do it. First, tap on the two horizontal lines icon in the upper left corner of the screen, and on top you will then see a search field. Then just tap on the search field, enter the desired keyword, and just like that, you can make use of the new search history feature on ChatGPT Mobile. After typing in your keyword, the results will be displayed directly under the search field right here. To open up one of these past conversations, simply tap on it. And that's it, guys. This is how you use the new search history feature on ChatGPT. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more ChatGPT tutorials.